what's going on, everybody? It's a nasty ass day. Rainy, been raining all day. It's still like misting. I'm gonna have to keep wiping off the camera probably. That ain't gonna stop us though. I get us some mudding in with the 300, baby. Woo! Woo! It's really slick out. Damn, this is even more blocked off. I came here a few months ago and I could like get through it over there, but now they logged the trees out even more, blocking off this little path. That's alright though, we got some different trails across the street. Yeah, I wonder if the GoPro is alright right now. It's still like, now that we're back in the trail, it's a little bit better, but when I was on the road getting here, it was like a light, very, very light rain, kind of just misting. Woo! What do we got back here? Nah, so much trash back here. It's like people just came and dumped their shit. Bunch of tires, old CDs, mayonnaise. What they got here? Some Criminal Minds. That was a nice little donut. We were throwing up some roost. That's what's fun about when it gets wet. You can just throw up some mud. Alright, we're gonna head across the street. Might have to hit a wheelie on the way. But it actually doesn't feel too bad though. I was kind of feeling cold and everything. Now that I'm out here, it's always better once you're out here. These guys are all turning. I'm going straight. Oh, here we go. Don't mind if I do. What do we have here? Oh, that looks like it could be a nice jump. Hold up. Oh, that's actually got a nice lip off of it. I'm gonna hit that a little faster. Just make sure there's no rocks that I'm really gonna hit. I'm gonna move this thing. Oh yeah, we're good now. We're clear. Let's hit it with a little more speed. Woo-hoo! That's a fun little jump. One last time before we move on. Sick. Ooh, this is muddy. Oh my god. There was no really stopping there. Kind of forgot about this street. Make sure the camera's good. Whew, yeah, I was coming into that and it was real slick coming up. There was no stopping, just had to kind of roll with it. Dude, I don't know when I last came here, but I was sizing this thing up. I kind of want to hit it, but it's wet and there's no run up and there's that big root. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Whoa. Save that. If there wasn't that big root right in the middle, I probably would try it. Probably the last time I've been here was when we went to that little abandoned house. I believe that's right up here. I might have had to go the other way. Oh yeah, we crossed this, or no, I went the wrong way. Let's go check that out. But it's about to be the weekend. I'm ready for the weekend. I'm gonna do some riding this weekend for sure. Haven't really done much riding the past 2 weekends. Just because I was doing other things, and then the next weekend it was cold and like raining the whole time. Oh, someone left a freaking boat. I don't think I've been up this trail. Might as well check it out. Oh, it just goes back up to the upper section where I was just at earlier, messing around with the jump. Alright, let's go back down. Where is it? It's got to be coming up here. Unless I missed it. Nah, no way. Huh. I thought it was a little further back. Whoa! This is real muddy. Holy cow, what did we find here? Definitely not supposed to be here. But I gotta take a look. Whoa! No! Is there people over there? I'm gonna snag a little picture on this machine real quick. Oh, there's definitely a guy over there. Alright, we're out of here. This stuff is soupy. I got a freaking stick in my bike. I did not even see that. Oh, where? Alright, we're good, we're good. Kinda wanna get a picture next to this thing real quick. Alright, we dipping. My wheels are just like coated, freaking caked in mud right now. Whoa! No! That was like quicksand. Oh my god. That got scary. Alright, did I really miss this house up here? I gotta find it now. I'm gonna keep an eye out for this thing. Pretty sure you can see it from the trail. Maybe I'm on the wrong part. No, that's not it. Maybe we missed it. Alright, well I guess we're not getting to it today. It might be the other way. I'll have to review the video, but if y'all missed that, is it up here? No, I don't see it. If y'all haven't seen that video, it's called like Found an Abandoned House. I'll link it in the description for y'all to check out. Pretty cool little spot to explore. Alright everybody, just a quick video. I wanted to get out, didn't even have like an hour. Just wanted to get out for a little ride, even though it's a crappy day. That was a good little ride too. Alright, we got this thing muddy. I'm gonna get home and wash her off. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Links to the headlight, bars, levers, foot pegs, all that good stuff. EJK. As always in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna get some riding in this weekend, so stay tuned for that. Got some videos on the way. Peace.